Legacy. This is Legacy. And she is creating a gift package for her mother's birthday. Go ahead, keep going. I will talk. And she picked up 3 pretty balloons from the Dollar Tree. Some makeup and a bath bomb, right?
Are these hers?
No. The oil Valet, the body wash. And you put the makeup in there already too?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and the candle. Look at that. And she repurposed the box. Look at that. Look what you did. Aw. Keeper. The troll. Oh, this is cute. Oh, that's an idea. You poked that right in there. How creative for a 7-year-old.
No, I lost my
even know.
scissors. No, I lost my scissors, so I poked a crayon in there, and I.
Oh, a crayon. See, I wasn't even watching you. I told you to go in my craft room and make something for your mom, and you told me you made her a gift bag. Love is, what's that say?
All around you.
Aww. Love is all around you? That is so adorable. Your mother's gonna